I'm going to take you behind the scenes on how I shot this video on my phone using Life Lapse, and it's in the living room of my home. So I don't have like a big fancy studio or anything. I just have a white piece of Bristol board. You can see my phone, it's directly above there, and I'm using a Bluetooth remote to trigger each shot. And I'm basically just moving the clothes and the objects a little bit closer to the suitcase between each photo. Once all the items are in the suitcase, I open up the editor. Everything's automatically stitched together, so it's super easy. You can change the speed of how fast you want it to go. If you want to create videos like this from your phone, download my app Life Lapse and follow along if you want to see more behind the scenes of how I create stop motions using my phone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this free tutorial and you want a chance to win $100 to Amazon, which is, by the way, where we buy most of our stop motion gear, please leave us a review in the Apple App Store sharing what you love most about Life Lapse. These reviews help us out a lot, and we select a winner each month to get $100 USD to Amazon. All you have to do is go to the Apple App Store, search Life Lapse, scroll down, and then click write a review. Share what you love most about Life Lapse, screenshot it, and then DM it to us on Instagram. This will take you no longer than a minute. You'll be helping us out a ton, and you'll have a chance to win $100. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be the first to know when we release new stop motion tutorials.